two parallel plates have equal and opposite charges. When the space between them is evacuated, the electric field between the plates is 2 into 10 to the power 5 volt per meter. When the space is filled with dielectric, the electric field becomes 1 into 10 to the power 5, the dielectric constant of the dielectric material. So this is pretty straightforward and easy question. We can have two plates. This is the parallel plate capacitor. So suppose if this is not filled with anything or evacuated, we can assume air. So we know that if cross section area is A and separation between them is D, we can write C naught is equal to epsilon naught A by D, right, for air. And when it is filled with some dielectric constant K like this, and separation is again same, cross section area is constant, then we can write Ck will be is equal to K epsilon naught A by D, correct? This will be the value of capacitance again, but we are not interested in capacitance. So this is for some dielectric constant K, but we want to calculate the value of electric field because electric fields are given. So how do we find electric field from capacitance? We know that Q is equal to CV. We can write C into V will be equal to E into D, right? So capacitance will be epsilon naught A by D into E into D. So we can write this is equal to Q. So dd will be cancelled out. From there E will be equal to Q upon epsilon naught into A, right? So for air wala case, this will be E will be epsilon Q upon epsilon naught into A. For E of K will be is equal to Q upon K epsilon naught into A. So this is the electric field value. So if you divide both the equation, we get, on dividing, we get E1, E naught divided by Ek will be Q upon K epsilon naught into A upon Q upon epsilon naught into A. So this Q epsilon naught A, Q epsilon naught A will be cancelled out. We get the value of E naught by Ek will be equal to K, 1 upon K. So we want a dielectric constant K, that would be Ek. The value of Ek, so the value of this is Ek upon E naught. So Ek upon E naught. So Ek E naught by Ek, right? So what is the value of E naught? 2 into 10 to the power 5 given in the question, 1 into 10 to the power 5. So clearly we get K is equal to 2. So which option should be the right answer? Option number 3 should be the right choice.